today's my MRI appointment. It's Sunday, the 29th of December. And I do remember that I'm going to take that car charger thing with me. Why do I keep saying car charger? It's what is it? The cell phone charger for the car. And I've been looking at it. It's really impressive. It's kind of electric. So when you put your phone in there, the little arms go and close up on it. It's pretty cool. So before I pack all this stuff and go out to the truck, I thought I'd show you again what all comes with it when you order it. And the link for this will be down in the description. And from what I've done with it so far, I've never had it plugged in or put my phone on it. But so far, it's pretty cool. So it comes with the plug-in charger, of course. And then, you know, I'm really surprised it didn't come with a car charger. Maybe it did and I just misplaced it. I don't know. Anyway, and it comes with, of course, this thing, the whole phone holder. And then this, which is really sturdy. Very well built. It's not like cheapo, thin plastic. It's pretty nice. And then it comes with this little gadget. It goes in the back of here just like this does. And then you can plug it in or slide it onto your vent, your air conditioner vent. Okay, I'm going to put this stuff in a bag so I can get it out to the truck, because I got that doctor's or MRI appointment in an hour. So I'll be leaving here pretty quick. And you get to come along. Not bad. Alright, and again it's from PaiTree, P-A-I-T-R-E-E. And again there will be a link down in the description. Okay, I'll be back. I'm just going to stick it to this window. So it's got the little sticky thing that you tear off. I tell you what, this thing right here has got some stick, let me tell you. Alright, I'm just going to put this down low. This thing is really well built, I'm telling you. So I got it on the window, and I'm just going to set my phone on it, and it electronically clips onto my phone, or I don't know, secures my phone on it. And yeah, it's not going anywhere. I mean, I'm pretty good at wiggling it around and twisting it. Yeah, I'll do it again. I like it. Oh, it's got a button on the back that you push somewhere. Watch it. Did you see that? That's pretty good. I'm so impressed. Oh, and it closed back down. I like it. Ooh, I must have touched the button. Okay, let's do it again. Watch. Maybe a different angle, or maybe the light's better this way. I can't see the phone to tell you if I'm doing it right or not. And then it shows that my phone is charging. That is too cool. All in all, I'll give this thing 5 stars. I'll have to check the box again. I don't remember seeing a cigarette lighter charger in it. So, other than not having a cigarette lighter charger, it's just got the USB. Awesome product. Very sturdy. I'll put the link to it below. I think with shipping, I'm going to guess right now and say 30 bucks, $32. Well worth it, because so far, yeah, really nice product. I'm telling you, if you get this, make sure that you have a spot picked out in your vehicle where you really, really want it, because to tear it off is super hard. This stuff sticks really, really well. You gotta work at it to get it off. So when you go to attach it to a window, check it out, like put it on wherever before and make sure it's where you want it, because this thing sticks like nothing I've ever seen before. Alright, let me hook it up to the air conditioner vent and I'll do that. I'll show you. Hang on. You just snap it in and then tighten the little screw thing down. And I'm telling you, it's pretty heavily made. I mean, it's pretty sturdy. Alright, I'm going to find a vent to put it on. Let's get this out of the way. I'm going to put it right there. Okay, other than the vent thing moving, it seems very secure. Let me open it. Get my phone in there. Yeah, it fits in the vent really, really well. It fits in the vent really tight. I mean, the vent moves, you know, which is kind of sucky, but I don't have another vent. Anyway, but it works just as well on a vent, and this clip is very, very tight. So I'm going to leave my phone there for the trip to get my MRI. I got to get going. I'm going to be late. My appointment's at noon. Yeah, so far, I'm loving this product. I'm really glad they contacted me. Anyway, I got to go, guys. All right, I'll be back. Hi. Okay, so I'm home. I got to get out of this truck. The phone thing worked great. I really like it in the vent thing, and I moved this over closer to it so that it wouldn't wiggle around, and it wiggles because, you know, the vent things move, so it moves. But it did great. Thumbs up to this product, and I'm really, really glad that they contacted me and asked me to do a review on it, because it's great. Anyway, I will put information down in the bottom where the comments are about this video on how you can get it too. You'll love it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to get myself in the house. I'm not going to do the drone today. I'm not feeling good enough, but I'll get there. Thanks. Bye, guys.